Are you still managing orders on WhatsApp, Excel, and phone calls? And because of that, losing orders, facing pricing confusion, delayed payments, and inventory chaos? That's exactly why you need OrderPro1 by Wezoid. OrderPro1 is a powerful B2B omnichannel order management system that connects retailers, distributors, and customers on one unified platform, making buying and selling faster, smarter, and error-free. Here's what makes it a game changer. Omnichannel app across mobile, web, and marketplaces. All-in-one platform for retailers, distributors, and customers. Secure access control for safe operations. Multiple pricing strategies for better profitability. Buy and sell from the same app. Multi-level operations with detailed reports. Smart product catalog with categories. Real-time inventory management. Accurate order booking and instant summaries. Built-in UPI and digital payment collection and 360 degrees customer insights. Complete channel and sales management. With these features, you get faster order processing, real-time tracking, better decision-making, and zero manual errors. Whether you're in FMCG, Pharma, electronics, or wholesale, OrderPro1 helps you scale with confidence. So if you want smarter operations and higher profits, book your demo today. OrderPro1 by Wezoid. Stop losing orders. Start growing faster.